How to cancel a Lyft ride. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel a Lyft ride. Now the process itself is pretty simple. Now if you just called for a ride or if you had scheduled a ride, you can simply open up Lyft. And now here you can see my trips option. You want to head over to it. If you have scheduled a ride, you'll find it here. You can tap on it and you can cancel it. Now it might take cancellation charge as well, but if you just recently called for a ride and then now you want to cancel it back again, then at the home page you'll find the edit ride option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now I don't have any ride scheduled here, but you'll find it there and you can tap on it and then you can tap on cancel ride option. Now how much is the cancellation fee for Lyft? Now Lyft offers scheduled rides for up to 30 minutes or 1 week prior to your ride. Lyft cancellation policy. Now there is a $5 cancellation fee that will be billed to the customer. In addition, there is a $10 scheduled ride cancellation fee as well. So this way you can cancel Lyft ride. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.